van looting attempts have happened just in the recent past itself. And now news coming in of a grenade attack on Treasury Bank in the Sopore area yet again. Already news coming in that 4 policemen are injured. This is, of course, turning out to be a major challenge for the local police because several such attempts have come to light just in the recent past. Zeenat, our special correspondent, is joining us. Zeenat, can you tell us more?
Yeah, this has happened just a while back when when grenade was lobbed at this Treasury Bank, which is in the main choke of the Sopore of North Kashmir, in which 4 policemen have been injured. And as per the sources, 1 policeman is critically injured. All the injured have been directed to the Sopore Army Hospital. This is what we are getting at latest.
And Zeenat, can you put this in perspective for us? Because several such attempts have come to light in recent past, isn't it? I mean, this is becoming a clear modus operandi, and many were suggesting it could well be because terrorists are short of cash, especially post-demonetization. Just wrap up the developments over the last few weeks, especially in this area.
See, we have been seeing the bank loots that are going in the South Kashmir, but today's attack that happened in the Sopore, this comes in the North Kashmir. So this is almost the first case that has been reported from the South Kashmir. Grenade has been lobbed on the Treasury Bank, in which the policemen have been injured. Previously, we have seen such attacks in the South Kashmir, where last time we saw security bank van was targeted, where 3 policemen lost their lives, and then many weapon snatching incidents we saw outside the banks and all. But this incident that has shifted from South to North Kashmir today.
And what are the security authorities saying about, not just the events that are taking place, but also the efforts to prevent such bank looting attempts?
See, security is already on alert from North Kashmir to South Kashmir to Central Kashmir, because we have been seeing this kind of episodes going almost every week when the militants, they target the banks, they target the cash vans and all. So security has been...
All right, we'll get you more about that grenade attack in just a bit, but these are fresh visuals now.